Long time no see. Well, it sure has been a while, hasn't it? Well, let me set you right on up here on my gimbal that now follows me around, so I'm not shaking while filming my videos, and it's a little bit easier on the eyes. How about that? I just wanted to make a quick video telling you guys that I'm not done making my van build videos, and the van build is not done, as you can see. I've been traveling a lot, and I've been working a lot, and I have a bed in the van, I have a sink in the van, I have a shower, and I have a bathroom, and a closet, and a cooktop that I take in and out, and a fridge. So all the necessities for living in the van are complete. So I haven't had the oomph to build out the rest of the van. And there are some things that I would like to have in here, like a countertop on this side that does house my cooking station permanently, as well as a table that pulls out so I can eat and get on my computer, because I don't really have any working surfaces in the van. But as far as storage, I'm going to have some upper cabinets on behind you guys and over here. And that's pretty much all the rest of the building that I need to do. So as you can see behind me, I started to build out, I'm going to call this the backsplash, because my countertop is going to go on top of this fridge and connect to my closet. And over here is going to come out of the door a little bit. And down here, I got my wires coming through, and this is my light switch for my lights that I'm going to have on the outside of the cabinet face, but right now I just got them dangling. And I brought it off the wall about 4 inches so I can put on a water fill inlet. I want to finish this edge with walnut plywood, and then finish the top of this with some more of my teal tile. And I cut out that hole so I can actually inset this little cabinet that I built out of walnut. And this will house my coffee cups, and I'm going to put another shelf in the middle, and it will hold like spices, salt, pepper, anything for cooking up in here. And something else you may have noticed is I hung one of my guitars on the wall. I just put a hanger up here, just a normal guitar hanger. It had like little rubber stops for the headstock so the head won't come flying off. And when I actually build in my cabinet, I'm going to have a divot or a little cavity that will actually grab the bottom of the guitar and be foam padded and everything for protection. That way it doesn't come flying off the wall if I hit any bumps or anything. So that was everything that I did without showing you guys in video form. As soon as this video ends, I will be making the rest of the cabinets that fit underneath this countertop, with a little pull-out kitchen table, little battery compartment, and a permanent inset for my cooktop. So that's going to be my next video. Hopefully we'll be out very soon. Just wanted to show you guys this stuff and tell you that I'm still here and I'm still working on it. So thank you guys so much for being patient, for watching my videos, and doing all that other good stuff. So I appreciate it. And God bless, and I will see you later.